In this video, I will have a summary for the book of Jeremiah. So, itong si Jeremiah pala ay isang prophet. So, hindi ko siya alam dati because syempre hindi naman talaga ako nagbabasa ng Bible before. So, si Jeremiah ay isang prophet, and alam nyo ba that among all the prophets, ito si Jeremiah yung medyo kawawa kasi siya yung prophet that hindi bet ng mga leaders and ng mga kings noon, because yung mga prophecies niya ay, for example, it's not that good. Let's say for the kingdom of this certain king, it's not very good for his regime. Hindi maganda yung kakahinatnan ng pagiging hari niya and yung mangyayari habang siya ay hari. So, when he prophesied those not so good things, nagagalit sa kanya yung mga hari and ini-imprison siya. So, yun yung kwento about Jeremiah being a prophet. Itong book of Jeremiah pala, guys, ay napakadaming magagandang messages. Isa siyang underrated na book sa Bible kasi hindi natin alam, madaming hindi nakakaalam na ang ganda pala ng nilalaman ng book of Jeremiah. 'Di ba sa book na to ay yung parang pinaka-famous lang na line or na verse is yung Jeremiah 29:11, 'di ba? Yung "For I know the thoughts that I think toward you, saith the Lord, thoughts of peace and not of evil, to give you an expected end." 'Di ba yan yung parang pinaka-famous na laging nababanggit na verse lang sa Jeremiah, but then ang dami pala. And you know what? Dun din na prophesy yung pagdating ni Jesus Christ. Same with Isaiah. Diba kasi si Isaiah na prophesy din niya yung pagdating ni Jesus Christ. So ito din, makikita natin siya sa Jeremiah 23, verses 5 to 6, sabi, "Behold, the days come, saith the Lord, that I will raise unto David a righteous branch, and a king shall reign and prosper, and shall execute judgment and justice in the earth. In his days Judah shall be saved, and Israel shall dwell safely, and this is his name, whereby he shall be called, the Lord our righteousness." So, yun, na-prophesy din niya yung pagdating ni Jesus, and then pati yung mga calamities din na nangyayari sa atin ngayon. Yung, di ba, kay Isaiah ang na-prophesy niya is yung pagkakaroon ng river sa mga deserts and yung pagja-dry ng mga rivers. So ito naman ang na-prophesy ni Jeremiah is yung great whirlwinds from the coasts of the earth, and yung na-prophesy din niya yung fire na nagkindle sa forest. So, 'di ba, just recently may nangyaring ganito sa California. So, yun na-prophesy din niya yun. And madami pang magagandang passages dito sa Jeremiah that I wanna elaborate, but then hindi ko na siya isasama dito sa video na to. I'll have it sa next videos ko na lang. So, yun. That's Jeremiah. Next will be Lamentations. So, see you next video. Bye! Thank you po for watching.